While exploring Natlan in the Genshin 5.2 update, you may have noticed this giant bird mural near the Masters of the Nightwind tribe. Well, it's actually part of a set of tasks which can be completed to earn a few chests, including 2 luxurious chests. Make your way to this location here in front of the mural, which is near the Masters of the Nightwind tribe. Sit down, and the mural will now talk to you and tell you about 3 tasks that you can complete for it. It will give you a brief description of each of the tasks if you ask. One of them is in these caves underground, which I unlocked the teleport waypoint during a world quest, while the other 2 locations are in the open world. Let's head to the first location. As you near this location, you realize it has no color. Activate this tiny dino statue mechanism, and to make it move, hit it on the back with normal attacks. To remove the stone blocking its path, use the Saurian transformation. Hold attack on the graffiti of the stone on the rock, and place it with the 5 other stones. This will reveal a cave. You can get out of the transformation and continue moving the mechanism forward. Once inside, these colors are now available for you to use. Operate and activate the second mechanism and extract a red color. Apply it onto the second rock. Now interact with it. The area will have its color back, and you will have a remarkable chest to collect.
But a momentary distraction.
Now we shall move to the second location. The second location also has a similar puzzle to solve. So activating the first statue here, now yellow is available to extract. But first move to the second statue, activating and moving it forward once. You'll see its path is not connected. So extract yellow and aim for the part that does not have the color yet and apply it there. Now the path is complete. You can hit the statue again for it to move. Extract the yellow color before you take the mechanism any further. Hit it till it reaches the rocks and apply yellow to the second stone. Interact, and the second location also gets its color back, and you have a precious chest after finishing this task.
But a momentary distraction.
Now for the final location, it's inside this cave system, which can be accessed from the riverbed. You need to enter the cave on your right. I already accessed this location during a world quest and solved the first mural puzzle, which is a part of the world quest. But it's pretty simple. In this room here, there are 3 different fruits of different colors, and you need to apply the colors to the respective fruit according to the shape of it. And the fruits are actually hanging in the room, you just need to refer those and apply to the wall. The wall will open up once you complete the mural. After that, just move forward, use the Saurian transformation, and go to the next mural. The next 2 murals are about 2 Montus, Rumi and Kunthur, where Rumi is an evil wizard and Kunthur is the hero who we are supposed to assist. So in the mural coming up, I solved the first part of it, where on the picture on the wall, Rumi is being chased by Kunthur and sends enemies to stop Kunthur. You will use the Saurian transformation to extract the enemies from the wall and place them in the cave beside you, which will allow you to defeat them. After that, Rumi assigns colors to these stones. Now for the second part, take the stone graffiti and place the stone in the corner of the room here. First extract glue, applying it to the stone that you just placed. You're basically following the mural that Kunthur has put forward for you. Next red to the stone on your right. Yellow for the stone that's there at the very end, the furthest one from you. You'll notice the next stone is a mix of yellow and blue to form green. Once you apply this, the path downwards opens for you. You can jump in and you'll have 1 chest to collect, but there is 1 more mural that is left to solve. These here are the next set of murals involved in our task, and we will be helping Kunthur interact with the tablet to enter the story within the painting. We'll be chasing Rumi and helping Kunthur by tapping and providing wind currents for it to move forward. In the second stage, you would want to start tapping and providing it wind current ahead of the obstacles, keeping it in the air sooner to reach the required altitude. In the third stage, just keep providing the wind current whenever the cooldown ends, so that Kunthur can pass over the water body. For this one, you need to tap at the correct timings to make sure Kunthur passes through the cliffs and that it does not touch the either ends on top or bottom. This is the final stage of the third task. After finishing it, you will get a luxurious chest, and you can take this wind current to leave the chamber. Now you need to go back to the Big Bird mural Sit at the location where you sat initially, and now that you have finished the 3 tasks, it shall reward you with a luxurious chest and an achievement. I hope this guide was helpful and that you have fun exploring Natlan in Genshin 5.2.